So Hanuman said, you can go to ask Ramchandra. He is having one diary, a big diary. So he will give you the diary, and the diary, the names of all the devotees of Ramchandra Ji.
ताकि और बच्चे को बुला सकें।
मैं तो वीडियो बनाऊंगा।
तो इस्कॉन बैंगलोर में गया था, बहुत ही
स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे आज के ब्लॉग में। और आज हम और रोशन अभी जा रहे हैं BCM हरे कृष्णा सेंटर। तो अभी आज मेरा पहला दिन है, तो मैं फर्स्ट टाइम जा रहा हूँ, तो जाके दिखाता हूँ क्या होता है। जो भी होगा दिखा दूँगा। चलिए मिलते हैं फिर आगे नेक्स्ट।
Jamban said, I can jump only 90 miles. When I was young, I used to roam all over the universe. But now because I have become old, so this much only I can do. I don't have any strength. I can jump only 90 miles. So then Angada said, I can jump 100 miles. But I am doubting whether after jumping, Shat Koti Pravistaram. Ek Aksharam, and even one letter of this great epic Ramayana, Pumsa Mahapataka Nashnam, it can destroy all the evil effects, all the sinful effects, sinful reactions it can destroy. So this is so powerful, this hearing of this Ramayana. So that is why all of us, we should hear and we should read this Ramayana and understand the life lessons what we can learn from this great epic. So like this Ramayana episode happened, so I'll just take a few more minutes. There are some more stories mentioned about in connection with Hanumanji. There are some more interesting stories. It is not in chronological fashion, it is mentioned like that. So once the bridge of Lanka was over the ocean was getting built, so all the monkey armies, they were writing the name of Ramchandra, Rama, and they were putting the boulders in the ocean. And we know that how the boulders were floating. So Lord Ramchandra also was watching this, and he thought that let me also go and try. They are writing my name only. So my name is so powerful, I can also do something. So he went and he is not writing his name. He told I am Ramchandra himself. So he took this boulder and he put, and it sank in the ocean. It was not floating. So then Hanumanji was watching from behind and he started laughing. So then Ramchandra asked, Hanumanji, can you tell me what is the reason why it is not floating? So Hanumanji said, you see, my dear Lord, this stone, our heart is like a stone, right? So whoever is chanting Lord Rama's holy name, he can float over the material existence. He can cross over material existence and can float. He will not sink, he will not get doomed. That's why there is stone also. Even though they are stones, but they have got your association of your holy name and they are floating. But okay, why I am throwing the stone and why it is sinking? Then he told, my dear Lord, if you reject somebody, then how that person can float? So if Lord Ramchandra rejects anybody and he is not giving his association, then there is no hope for that person. So it is mentioned in the Prabhupada says in his lecture many times, Mare Krishna Rakhe Krishna Hare Ke. If anybody has, if there is somebody who has got protection of God, Rakhe Krishna Mare Ke, and there is nobody who can kill him. That person cannot be killed. Nobody can kill that person. And Mare Krishna Rakhe Ke. If God has decided to kill somebody, then nobody can protect that person. So like this. So here we understand the importance of the holy name of Lord Ramchandra. Prabhupada also says, just by chanting the holy name of Rama, Hanumanji jumped over the ocean. So this also signifies that if we also chant this holy name of Lord Rama in our life, we take it as life and goal, we can also cross the ocean of material existence. Bhava Sagara, this material existence, the cycle of birth and death is compared to ocean. That's why it is called as Bhava Sagara. So we can also cross this Bhava Sagara by chanting the holy name of Lord Rama in the form of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So just last one more story I will tell. So Lord Ram, this Hanuman was always looking at how I can please Lord Ramchandra. So he came to know that actually Mother Sita is very, very dear to Ramchandra. So he started observing what Mother Sita is doing. So everywhere he was following Mother Sita. So Mother Sita went to his her room, started applying this sindoor. So Hanumanji saw that and he stopped Mother Sita. What you are doing? Please tell me, what is this red color you are applying? Pigment, powder. So Mother Sita, how can she explain this? Because his over and above his monkey. Monkeys are not considered very intelligent. And he is a brahmachari monkey. So how he can understand what is this sindoor? So she told that I am applying this because it pleases Ramchandra. And also it increases the life of Ramchandra. It can increase the life of my husband. So then Hanumanji got the clue. He told, yes, I got the clue now. So he immediately went to the market and he asked the shopkeeper, you have red color, some powder? And they gave some sacks of powder of red color. And Hanumanji started rolling in the powder. His complete body became red. And like that he appeared in front of Ramchandra. Ramchandra started laughing. What is this, Hanuman? What you have done today? So he told, my dear Lord, I came to know that this red color pleases you so much. That's how this Mother Sita applies on her forehead. So I thought that, no, I want to please you most. I thought, let me cover my entire body with red color. That's how you see in the temples how Hanumanji is in red color. Now you can see the dedication of Hanumanji to please his master, Supreme Lord Ramchandra. There was one more incident happened. So Narad Muni was the spiritual master, and he is the spiritual master of everybody. So he met Hanumanji. So he asked Hanumanji that, do you know that who is a great devotee whom Lord Ramchandra appreciates? Who is that great devotee? So Hanumanji said, you can go to ask Ramchandra. He is having one diary, a big diary. So he will give you the diary, and the diary, the names of all the devotees of Ramchandra. So Narad Muni went and he asked Ramchandra, and Ramchandra gave one diary. When Narad Muni opened, the first name was written Narad Muni. and he started seeing all the diary pages, and there was no name of Hanumanji there. So then Narad Muni came to Hanumanji and said, "You see, my name is there." And very surprisingly, you are such a great devotee and your name is not there. So then Hanumanji told, "Please go again to Ramchandra. He is having one more small diary. To see that also." So again Narad Muni went and asked, "You have to Ramchandra, do you have any other diary?" So Ramchandra gave a small personal diary from his pocket. He kept here, near his heart. He gave that diary. And there the first name was written was Hanumanji. And so then Narad Muni asked, "What is this, my lord? You have kept so many diaries. Some names are here, some names are there. So what is this?" So who is dear to you? Please tell. So Ramchandra told that, "See, in this big diary, the names of all the devotees are there who always remembers me. And in this small diary, the names of all those devotees are there to whom I remember always." So that is Hanumanji. So we'll finish our talk here. So thank you, Hare Krishna, for joining this today. हनुमान जयंती महामहोत्सव की जय। राम लक्ष्मण सीता भक्त हनुमान की जय। Now we'll be chanting this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra today. All of you have got the malas. So we'll be chanting 108 times today. So this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, this holy name of Lord Ramchandra and Krishna, it pleases Hanumanji most. Because Hanumanji is also chanting always Lord Rama's name. So if we also take up this chanting Hare Krishna mantra daily in our life, we will also become dear to both Lord Ramchandra also, at the same time to Hanumanji also. We will get the blessings of Hanumanji most by chanting Lord Rama's name. Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare
सीताराम लक्ष्मण हनुमान की जय। श्री श्री निताई गौरंग की जय। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। मैं जो गाऊंगा मेरे बाद आप सभी को दोहराना है। जब मैं पूरा कर लूंगा उसके बाद आप सभी दोहराइएगा। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
Sita
ताकि और बच्चे को खिला सकें।
मैं तो वीडियो बनाऊंगा।
तो इस्कॉन बैंगलोर में गया था, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। गर्मी वैसे काफ़ी होती है, मैं अपने साथ पानी जरूर रखता हूँ।
Yeah.